Okay, welcome back to In the Can, and today I'm going to be making another apple cobbler. I don't have any ground cloves, and this calls for a dash of ground cloves. So instead of cinnamon, I'm going to use a half a teaspoon of apple pie spice. Then I want a third a cup of sugar. And a third cup of brown sugar. And 3 tablespoons of flour. Then I'm going to mix this together to coat the apples. Then pour my apples into my little 9x9 or 8x8 baking dish. I'm not sure what the size of this actually is. And now we're going to get ready to, let's see where it's at. There it is. We're going to get ready to make our drop dumplings or biscuits or whatever you want to call them. So I've got a third cup of butter. And I want to melt this so it'll mix together. So I'm going to stick it in the microwave for 1 minute. And I'm going to take the remaining butter it's the third cup from a stick of butter. So I'm going to take the remaining part of the stick of butter and I'm going to place it in dollops over the apples. Pull my pots and pans out of the oven, and I'm going to preheat the oven to 350. Get our melted butter out. And to this, I want 1 cup of flour, and a half cup measure fits down in my flour jar, so that's why I've got 2 of these, because they're half cups. And I want 2 tablespoons of sugar. And 2. A teaspoon and a half of baking powder. Oops. Get it in the right dish. Three tablespoons of milk. One, two, three. And 1 egg. Let's get this mixed together. And once it's pretty much mixed together, we're going to drop it on top of our apples. And spread it out just a little bit so it covers the apples somewhat. Oops. Make sure I can get all this I can get, because it doesn't seem to be a whole lot of. Then we're going to stick this in the oven and bake it for 35 to 40 minutes. And then I will be back. Oops. Thought I was recording. I pulled the cobbler out, and I've taken a piece already. We give it a little taste. The apples are good, and that crust on top is really nice and flaky. That is good. That's a good combination with the apples and the flaky crust. Really good combination. So hopefully you enjoyed this video. You'll give it a like. Please subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again next time. Bye.